Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared these chicken tikka rolls. It turned out very good. I've laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. For this recipe, I'll be using chicken meat from Meamo Meats. I've already done a detailed unboxing video on Meamo Meats. It's 100% certified Jhatka meat available in Bangalore. I've used boneless chicken meat, which is chicken tikka cut. It's part chicken breast and chicken thighs, which is washed thoroughly and the water is completely drained. So you can find more information about Meamo meats in the description box below this video. We need ginger and garlic paste. We need mustard oil, yogurt, turmeric powder, salt, chili powder, garam masala, curry powder, coriander powder, pepper powder and chaat masala. I will list down all the ingredients used in this recipe in the description box below this video. So once I finished washing the chicken meat, I allowed it to drain completely. Then I've added it to a mixing bowl. To the mixing bowl, I've added all the masalas, yogurt, mustard oil, salt, ginger and garlic paste. We'll mix all the masalas and marinate this chicken for approximately 30 minutes. So just cover it and leave it on the kitchen counter, or you can place it inside the fridge and allow this to marinate. Once the chicken meat has marinated, heat a wok. Directly add the chicken meat to the wok. Now if you're preparing this in the oven, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Place it at 180 degrees. Just lightly brush your oven tray with some oil and ghee and then add your chicken meat and grill it or roast it till it's done. Now I've added some oil and ghee, just a few drops of ghee and 2 teaspoons of oil, and I've transferred the chicken meat to the wok. Don't waste that marination. Just dilute that marination with half a cup of water and reserve it. Now we need to fry the chicken meat for at least 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Just keep turning it and frying it. At this point, you will notice the masalas will start to burn. We'll get a very bitter taste. That is when you need to add your diluted marination to the chicken meat. We don't want the bitter taste in the chicken. Now we'll cover this and allow the chicken to cook for at least 6 to 7 minutes on medium flame. Just keep turning it occasionally. You can place a cover and allow the chicken to cook. So once you feel the chicken has cooked, at that point you can remove the cover and allow the chicken to cook on high flame and allow that excess moisture to completely evaporate. Now here I've allowed that excess moisture to completely evaporate and I kept frying the chicken. It was cooked. At this point I'm just going to remove it from the flame and transfer it to a bowl and reserve it. If you want to deep roast your chicken, you can deep roast it and then reserve it in a mixing bowl. That is totally up to you. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All my social media handle links and the Tamil channel link will be in the description box below this video. Now once I've reserved the chicken meat, I've reserved all the ingredients required for the roll. The chicken is cooked and reserved. We'll require eggs for this recipe. I've already shown you how to prepare mint and coriander chutney. Prepare that ahead of time. I've prepared and reserved mint mayonnaise. I'll be using the mayonnaise. We'll require finely chopped coriander, sliced onion, lime, chaat masala, pepper powder and parota. 90% of the ingredients what I've used here, I've already shown you how I prepare it. Like the mayonnaise, chutney, layered paratha and the chicken tikka. Here I'm just going to heat up a coal so that I want that smoky flavor in the chicken. I place the coal inside a bowl and inside the chicken. We added just a few drops of oil and we'll cover it and allow the chicken to smoke in that coal. The chicken tikka will have a very good coal flavor, or as though it is grilled on the firewood. Now I've heated a wok with 2 teaspoons of oil. I'll add the sliced onion, few sprigs of curry leaves and few sprigs of mint leaves. We need to fry the onions till it's transparent. So this will be our filling for the roll. This is my own version of the chicken tikka roll. I really enjoyed it. So now once the onions have fried, add your chaat masala, pepper powder and add very less amount of chili powder. It will enhance the flavor and taste. That's up to you. So now once the onions have fried, that is when I'll be shredding the chicken, or you can cut it into small pieces. I like to shred it, but shred it into larger chunks and then add it to the onions that you have fried. We need to fry the chicken in this onion. So the chicken will also absorb a lot of flavor from the onions and will give a very good taste in the roll. So now I've shredded the chicken into larger chunks. I've added the chicken to the onion and we'll just fry it for a few minutes from here. And after this, our rolls, we'll start preparing the rolls. So once the chicken has fried, I'll set it aside. We'll heat up a tawa on medium flame and we'll start preparing the rolls. The chicken is done at this point. Now on the same flame I've placed the tawa. This is on medium flame. I've not done any editing. You can see whatever I'm doing. I've just added a teaspoon of oil. We'll start frying the paratha. You get this ready-made layered parathas. You can use that, or you can follow my recipe and prepare the layer paratha. I just fried the paratha on both sides, and I also whisked an egg and added the egg on the paratha. Using a fork, I've gently spread that egg. We'll flip the paratha and cook the egg on the other side. We need to add a little bit of salt and pepper powder on the egg because the egg will be very bland. So now I've just sprinkled a little bit of salt and pepper powder and placed the prepared parathas on the serving plate. Now I've started to fill the paratha with the chicken filling. We'll layer it with the mint mayonnaise and the mint chutney. You can prepare plain mayonnaise. I've already shown you how to prepare plain mayonnaise, mint mayonnaise, coriander and mint chutney. So this enhances the flavor and taste in the rolls. Now I've added the mayonnaise. We'll also layer it with the mint chutney and finely chopped mint and coriander. Do click for more information in the description box below this video. All the information on this recipe and Meamo meats will be in the description box below this video, friends. I just added few drops of lemon juice and served my chicken tikka rolls. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. My chicken tikka rolls are done. We really enjoyed it. The quality of chicken meat was very nice and it was very juicy and tender. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.